The video you are watching right now is blowing up, getting millions of views in no time. And what's crazier, videos like this on TikTok and YouTube are doing the exact same thing, all made with one AI tool that can make your videos go viral and even make you thousands of dollars. Let me show you how to make the exact same kind of video in just a few clicks. No editing skills, no experience needed. Go to OpenArt AI. I'll leave the link in the description below. This website is absolutely mind-blowing. It turns any song into a full-blown music video in minutes. Imagine typing an idea, uploading your track, and watching AI bring it to life with cinematic visuals. That's what this does. Once you are on the site, click Music Video, Create. Here, you can choose your video style. Right now, there are 4 different styles, and they are adding more soon. The first one, singing video, creates a performance-style clip where an AI artist sings your song. The second one, which is narrative video, it builds a short story or mini movie that matches your lyrics. The third one, which is visual video, make dynamic motion visuals that pulse with the beat. Lyrics video syncs your lyrics perfectly on screen in a clean, professional layout. For this tutorial, I'll choose singing video. You can upload a song up to 5 minutes long, which is crazy. When I first started, it was limited to just 1 minute. OpenArt has really been leveling up their AI features. You can paste a song link or upload it directly from your computer. Below that, you can choose your artist. There are tons of options, or you can even use your own custom character. You can also set your scene and vibe. It's optional, but it definitely adds personality. Think of it like choosing the mood, settings, and the atmosphere of your music video. I'll upload the track I made for free. And by the way, if you want to learn how I created unlimited free AI music with full commercial rights, I'll link that video in the description and up here on the screen so you can watch it after this one. Once your song is uploaded, choose the song segments, the specific part you want to use, or the entire track. For this tutorial, I'll use just a short section to keep things quick and clear. Click Confirm. For the artist, I'll pick Rosa. I'll skip changing her outfit for now. Next, set your aspect ratio. Use 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 if you are creating shorts. Under Advanced Options, I'll leave everything as is. You will see there are multiple image models. My favorite is Flux Context. I have used it for all my videos and it always delivers stunning results. But since we already selected an artist, I'll keep that model for consistency. For the video model, make sure to turn on lip sync. That's what makes your video look professional and realistic. Once everything is set, click Create Full Video. The AI will now generate the story script, then the images, and finally the complete video. After it's done, click Edit Story. This opens the storyboard where all the magic happens. This is your editing studio, the easy way. You can tweak any scene, regenerate visuals, replace clips, or even add and delete scenes. It's incredible how you can build your own art with just a few clicks. Once you are happy, click Timeline. Here, you can fine-tune everything. Delete or switch scenes, remove subtitles, change section of your song, literally anything you can imagine. But before we watch the final result, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I post the latest AI tools that help you create, grow, and earn faster than ever. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and happy creating.
Watching shadows slip away, hearts collide, but we both drift further apart. Caught inside, but I know it's a brand new start. Let it flow. Let it go. Neon sign. signs flicker low as the city sleeps. Sidewalk cold, your hand pulling out.